Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best quietest space heater you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many quietest space heater and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each quietest space heater so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a quietest space heater. First, focus on the noise level. Look for models with decibel ratings below 50 for peaceful operation. Second, consider the heating technology. Ceramic and oil-filled heaters are typically quieter than fan-based options. Third, evaluate energy efficiency and adjustable thermostats to maintain warmth without wasting electricity. Fourth, check safety features like tip-over protection, overheat shutoff, and cool touch housing for safe use. Fifth, think about the size of your room and choose a heater with adequate power output for efficient heating. Finally, look for models with easy controls, timers, and remote options for convenience. By comparing these aspects, you can find a heater that delivers both comfort and silence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews and tips.